Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to set up vocal shortcuts on your Mac. It's an easy way to control your computer with your voice. The first thing we need to do is set up the vocal shortcuts we want to use. To do this, you want to click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. In the drop-down menu, select System Settings. Once you're inside the System Settings, look for Accessibility in the left-hand side menu and click on it. From here, scroll down to the speech section and find Vocal Shortcuts. Click into that. Now find where it says Vocal Shortcuts again and click on Setup. Once you're inside the Setup Guide, click on Continue. From here, you want to select a vocal shortcut that you want to request. For the example in this video, I'm going to choose the Zoom functionality. Once you've done this, click on Continue. Next, you'll need to enter in a phrase that you want to use to execute the functionality you've chosen. So for this example, I'm going to say, Activate Zoom. Once you've done this, click on Continue. Now you need to say the phrase 3 times to help your system recognize it. Activate Zoom. Activate Zoom. Activate Zoom. Once you've done this, your action should be ready, so click on Continue. The shortcut will now be successfully added to the vocal shortcuts list. If you want to add another one, just select Add Action. So in order to use the shortcut I just set up, all I need to say is Activate Zoom. And as you can see, my Mac has successfully recognized my vocal shortcut. And that is how you set up vocal shortcuts on your Mac. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.